Hello guys, I am Nilanjali and today I'm going to show you how to make a classic recipe of that of a Russian tea cake. So let's go ahead and start. So to start our recipe, we are going to grind some pecans with a little bit of sugar, say about 1 tablespoon. So I take my blender and put my pecans in it. Take a little bit of sugar. I'm going to now keep this aside in a bowl. We make sure that we do not grind it too much since the oil from the nuts can overflow. We want it to be like a crumb texture. Next, we just take the butter and sugar, add a bit of vanilla, although called as a cake, Russian tea cake is just another kind of a cookie which we are going to roll after our dough is incorporated. We make sure we scrape the sides while we are mixing our butter and sugar. And we see that we are going to beat it till it becomes light and fluffy. We now sift our flour into our butter mixture. Make sure that there are no lumps in it. I am now going to add our pecan mixture that we had grind before. A pinch of salt. And mix it till our entire dough is incorporated. Our dough mixture is ready to make them into small balls about 3/4 inch thick. I'm going to just put it back on my chopping board. We make sure that we do not overwork it and just bring the dough together a little bit. I'll now make some round balls and put them on my baking sheet for baking. We are going to be baking this at 165 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes. Our balls are now ready to be going in the oven at about 165 degrees. I'm going to take them out midway and roll our icing sugar on it so that our sugar sticks to the balls and we do not get a cracked top. We see that our tea cakes are now half baked. I'm now going to be rolling it in our icing sugar. I see that my tea cakes now have a very light golden brown color on the top. I'm now going to just roll it in the icing sugar. The reason why I roll it while it's still hot is because the sugar sticks to the dough and we can bake it again. I'm going to start rolling them one by one. This also compensates for any lack of sugar that we might have put in the dough earlier as well. After I've coated this in our powdered sugar, we are going to put it back in the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes. So our tea cakes are now ready. I'm going to be plating them by dusting some more icing sugar on the top. You can pop 1 or 2 as a cookie, or you can have it with ice cream. You can have it in the morning or as a late night snack. So our lovely Russian tea cakes are now ready. I have never stopped eating at just one. Do let me know how was your experience of trying this classic recipe.